Okay, this is the test of Beam Pro live capture with the glasses beta through the Beam Pro, and connected to the Beam Pro is the XREAL One Pro with the XREAL Eye camera. And right now I'm using ChatGPT, and I'm going to ask ChatGPT what it sees and see how accurate it is. Right? ChatGPT, what am I looking at right now?
It looks like you have a white game controller on your desk, and I can see it pretty clearly. There's also a water bottle and a few other items in the background. Everything looks good and in focus, so you got a nice setup.
That's correct. Let me go ahead and place another item here on the desktop. Okay, what do you see in the center of my screen here?
I can see that you've placed a white keyboard in the center of the screen now. It looks like it's a nice compact keyboard, and it stands out really well. Everything looks great.
That's correct. What do I have now?
Now I can see that you placed a white ergonomic mouse next to the keyboard.
Do you know what kind of ergonomic mouse it is?
It looks like the mouse you have is the Logitech MX Master series, which is known for its ergonomic design and extra buttons.
That is correct.
Definitely looks like a
All right. I want to put another item in your view here. What does this look like to you?
It looks like you placed a handheld gaming device in front of the camera. It has dual screens and some controls on the sides. So it definitely looks like a gaming handheld.
It's a single screen. I'm going to show you the back. Judging from what you can see here, what device is this?
It looks like the device you're showing me is the Lenovo Legion Go. I can see the branding on the back and the design with the vents and the overall shape definitely matches that device. Looks great.
That's correct. What am I looking at here? What is this?
It looks like you're holding a tactical flashlight, possibly one that can be mounted in something. It has a sturdy design with a button on the side. It definitely looks like a handy piece of gear.
Can you tell me what kind of flashlight this is?
It looks like a tactical flashlight, possibly from a brand like Streamlight or Surefire. Given its design and the mountable feature, it definitely looks sturdy and practical for various uses.
Close. This is a Shred Lights SL1000.
Got it. The Surefire SL1000 is definitely a reliable and powerful flashlight.
All right, I got one more item for you here. What do you see here?
I can see that you placed a small black device on your desk, and it looks like a mini fan or possibly a small cooling device. It has a vent on the top and some ports on the side.
It is a mini
It looks
PC.
like
Do you know what kind of mini PC?
it looks like a compact mini PC. From the design and the ports, it resembles something like an Intel NUC or a similar mini PC. It's definitely a handy little device.
It's a EM780.
Got it. The EM780 is a great little PC. Very compact and versatile. Thanks for sharing that.
I've
If you have
got
any other questions or need help with anything else,
another
just let me know.
object here. What is this? And can you tell me make and model?
That looks like a Blue Yeti microphone, and it's the silver version. It's a very popular choice for recording audio, so you've got a great piece of gear there.
That's correct. What is this? What am I looking at here?
It looks like you've got an audio interface or a mixer on your desk. I can see some knobs and controls, which definitely suggests it's for managing audio levels. It's a great addition if you're recording or streaming.
Take a closer look. What do you think it is?
several customizable buttons, and a small display, which is perfect for streamers or content creators to manage their setup. It's definitely a handy gadget cam.
Okay, what's this?
That looks like a hand grip strengthener. It's a great little tool for exercising your hand and forearm muscles.
Great.
Definitely a handy gadget to keep around.
What am I looking at now?
It looks like you've got a pair of wireless earbuds in their charging case. They look pretty sleek and modern. Definitely a great accessory to have.
All right. What is that?
That looks like a PlayStation 5 right there. It's got that distinctive design and shape, so definitely a nice gaming console to have on your desk.
That is correct. How about this? What am I looking at?
That looks like a Meta Quest headset on top of the console. It's got that distinctive white design and the headset shape. Definitely a great piece of VR gear.
Great, that's right.